what's going on, guys? Happy belated Thanksgiving. Today's Friday, 25th of November. Going to a no heat call in Westchester County, New York, a little north of White Plains. It just says that we were there recently to replace the burners, and now they have no heat. So we'll see what it is when we get there. It's not always a callback. Could be something different. I guess we were there 2 days ago, but who knows? Maybe it's simple as a switch. But let's see what it is. Hope all is well again. Hope you enjoyed your holiday. Hope you're enjoying your holiday. Hello, how are you?
We got the mask.
How are you?
Good, come on.
What's going on with it? What do you have, a furnace?
What's that?
You have a furnace?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the deal? What's going on with it?
You guys should know you've been here like 4 times.
Well,
Yeah, you keep
I'm
picking
asking you what's going on today.
It's not working.
Oh, that's my question.
Like usual.
That's my question.
The light on the right-hand side.
To the right, to the right. I got it. Thank you. All your things to the right. Thank you. Guess we've been here 4 times, according to the homeowner. Let's see what it is. You would think it was new the way they were snapping on me. This is disgraziat. Okay. Get some light. Wow. This is what they call no maintenance. Looks like I have no power on my board. That just looks. I didn't test it, but let's see. I reset power. This door switch was open a little so far. I mean, let's see if. It's got tape on it. Maybe the door wasn't in tight. I don't know. Let's see if this starts up. Here's my error code. No, it's on purge. Wow. Don't tell me that was a call. Don't tell me that was the call. Some type of either your hot surface igniter, looks like, or your gas valve. Let me count these blinks. Hot surface igniter to see if we're gonna get voltage coming from the board. Yep, got voltage from the board. Voltage from my gas valve. Or from my board to my gas valve. Looking for voltage from my 24 volts to 27 volts from my gas valve. Or from my board to my gas valve. So after my igniter. Got my voltage from my board to my gas valve. Before I say it's a gas valve, I do notice that this connection's pretty bad here. So I'm going to cut a new connection to my gas valve to make sure it wasn't just a bad connection. And then we'll retest it. Make sure they have propane too. Because so I'm going to have to check on my manometer to see that they have gas coming in. As I'm thinking, before I even, I just put this on. So before I even say it could be the gas valve, I want to make sure that it's not the HSI that's not glowing also. So I'm going to just do a couple tests here. Can't just say it's the gas valve. I got to check propane incoming. And also, this just because it's receiving voltage doesn't mean it's not cracked or something like that also. H's. So there's your hot surface igniter. That's bad. Not your gas valve, not your board. HSI. The truck to make sure I have a hot surface igniter. That looks dirty as shit too. I'm gonna clean that flame sensor. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, let me run and grab her a new hot surface igniter. If I have one on the truck, I should. Chilly chill. Clean with $1. Go. The fan motor's hopping around. If you could hear that, I'll let her know. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Just hot surface igniter. Failed. Replaced it and started it up as you saw. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Great weekend too.